Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 9T, and today I'm going to show you how easy you can clean your USB-C port. So at the first I'm going to put the smartphone like that to get you a better view of it, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Okay, so as you can see here we have our USB-C port, and as you can see something stuck here, some kind of the mess. So what you have to do, I can recommend you to use some kind of the very thin object like this one. You can of course use any other household items, it will be also really good. But I'm get something like that. So what you have to do, put it inside this port and do it gently, don't break this port. Do it very slowly and just make gestures like that. And as you can see, there's some kind of the dust. Let's try to put it here another time. Okay, here is fine, so let's go for the other side. As you can see, it's some kind of the dust. Okay, let's go forward. Remember to do it slowly and don't break, don't injure your USB-C port. Okay, so right now it's fine. So as you can see, inside we can find something like that, and it was very easy, right? So I hope that'll help you guys, and if I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!